Hit back? There you go. World's fastest, second tallest. It goes from 0 to 100 in less than 3 seconds. You boys will be going the length of this ride above these two towers. So keep your eyes open and breathe, and you're awake and alert. Again, you boys will be going 394 feet up in the sky. So when you make it to the very top.
So we got 2, right? 2 times?
Yeah, we had 1 time.
Oh, 1 time? And 120 you said, right? 100?
You paid 120?
No, like the speed. 120?
0 to 100 in less than 3 seconds.
Oh.
Claire, I have one more question. Would you boys keep your head back? Would you boys like a countdown or a surprise?
Ой, блин. Торсидига. Бакреф насадить в брови.
Аз не мога.
Бакреф насадить, вижу торвас.
Се не вървим долу?
Да.
То приколяш така честно.
Плохо, слушай, не...
Я пак ще идем? Дреш се такива пак.
Думаешь?
Аз не мога.
Не, в смысле, короче, нет. Ух ты, стрёмно. Сколько пойдет?
3 пойти.
Какие 3 пойдет?
3 пойти.
1,
3 пойти.
Серьезно?
Не 3 пойти.